our recording. Let's stop our logging here. Shut it off, and let's take a look. So we can see now we're at 225 horsepower and 245 horsepower, 225 pound-feet of torque. So big gains between our last green line and the blue line. We can see them gain pretty much everywhere. That's what I'd expect running that much timing or having that much more timing increase. Now do notice here, this cylinder number 2 was showing that it got 11 counts of knock. So this may or may not be valid. We might be in the situation where we may need to raise our knock threshold values, because we might be finding that once we start to add a little bit more spark timing in here, that it may not be actually knocking. It may be in the situation where it's just producing possibly some noise, and it may or may not be a problem. So let's just kind of go with this. Let's look at our data here quick. Let's see what the boost went to ultimately. So the boost is still going here at about 11, 11.7. Didn't really drop a whole lot. We can see our timing starts off here at 20 and now rolls back here to 5 degrees up top. So it has kind of an effect as it's going through the table here. We're going to see as we programmed it. So it kind of goes here and it swings down into the boosted area right here to 10, 12 pounds. And we can see specifically, if we're looking at our knock data, if we're tracing it back, where that knock occurred. So it starts here about 5,000. You can see right about here, this range, and then as we go up here, it starts to really pick up, and it starts to show that there's a lot of knock right here. So obviously it's not ideal. Let's look at our air fuel quick here, and we'll come back to this. So jumping into our fuel quick, we're going to find here, let's get back in line with our fuel table here and back into the overlay. So we're going to find that it's reporting that difference. And what we're going to see here is that it's showing that it's looking at our columns here. It's 12.3. Our commanded is 11.5. It's showing here that we actually have to take out fuel. So that's not going to be lining up quite right here. Probably up till we get to the point where at about column 13. That's probably just a function of our settings here. If we're looking at this high load, 11.5, air fuel above 4 pounds of boost, that's probably interpolating between this 12.8 and 11.5. That's why it's showing that we're rich here, but we're really not. It's actually okay. Let's leave that alone right there. That's not bad. That air fuel, as we're getting into boost, it's 12.3 versus the target at 11.5. I'm fine with that. Once we get up here is where I want to be concerned. I want to richen it up. So we do see the duty cycle here is 62%, so it's still a bit high in the duty cycle. But let's go and just richen it up right where it shows us to. So right here is about 5%. Do Control J, we'll add 5. Thanks for checking out our teaser clip. If you want to see the rest of this video and more than 500 hours of current EFI training we have to offer, make sure you click right here. If you want to go and check out more teaser clips from this training course, click here, and you don't want to miss any of the videos we're going to be releasing on this channel, so make sure you subscribe and click here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.